Washington is on the verge of passing historic legislation that will help fight inflation and invest in American energy resources, production, and manufacturing jobs. Who doesn't want this to pass? China. We're in a race to tap into the resources that will power our future. That means extracting and processing critical minerals right here at home that will drive high-performance batteries, the latest computers, and the defense, aerospace, and medical applications that will help America lead well into this century and beyond. The Inflation Reduction Act will also reduce our dependence on foreign energy by promoting American-made next-generation electric vehicle battery manufacturing and the good-paying, high-skilled jobs that go with it across this great land. Let's remind the world what America is made of. Tell Congress not to back down to China. Get the Inflation Reduction Act done. Learn more at poweringAmericanWorkersCoalition.com.